Whenever water, steam, oil, coolant, lubricants, or other media have to be transmitted into or through rotating machine parts like rollers, shafts, or spindles, rotating unions are employed. DEUBLIN unions are used in machine tools, steel machinery, paper and corrugating equipment, rubber and plastics manufacturing, wind energy, printing equipment, forging, and many other industries and applications. DEUBLIN World Headquarters are located in Waukegan, Illinois, close to Chicago, along with manufacturing facilities in Hofheim, Wallow, Germany, Bologna, Italy, and Dalian, China. DEUBLIN products are available globally through a network of wholly owned subsidiaries and authorized distributors. With world-renowned engineering, DEUBLIN continues to set the industry standard with over 3,000 product models and a growing list of breakthrough innovations. Like the patented AutoSense rotating unions that handle coolant, MQL or dry air, automatically sensing media and changing seal operation in response. Or multi-passage unions with 2 to 12 ports for different media for such high reliability applications as steel, semiconductor, plastics, and rubber. Recently, DEUBLIN introduced slip rings for both power and signal transmission. DEUBLIN slip rings are used in such applications as wind energy, semiconductor, plastics, converting, and more. DEUBLIN manufacturing is state-of-the-art, employing modern CNC machining centers and adhering to the latest quality standards. DEUBLIN is ISO 9001 certified. DEUBLIN is committed to setting the standard for engineering, innovation, quality, and solutions to complex equipment requirements worldwide. For more information, visit DEUBLIN.com.